It's time now for our DIY security tip of the week here on the Kim Komando Show. We put this together for you every single week. And if you're watching us on television, you might be thinking to yourself, what is Kim talking about? My TV is watching me now? Yes, it's not just your smartphones that's tracking everything that you're doing. Now, some smart TVs, they say they're collecting data anonymously, but are they? Because a $500 TV is on average about $200 cheaper than it was just a previous year. So now these TVs are equipped with analytical software that keeps tabs on your viewing habits. And then the data is then sold to advertising and data firms, which pay TV manufacturers for their data collection. And the savings are passed on to you, the consumer. So what it's called is ACR, automatic content recognition. These are algorithms that work at the pixel level, identifying every ad, show, or movie that you're watching. This actually includes content from your streaming devices, broadcast TV, even your Blu-ray discs. Even legacy tech like DVDs are not immune from ACR. So with ACR, it collects all this data and it sends it back to them, who the data then gets sold. Now, if this doesn't bother you, then you don't need to worry about it. But if you have a Vizio TV, you might even be entitled to some money from a class action lawsuit too, by the way, because ironically, this lawsuit is the very thing that you're trying to disable. The company had gotten in some trouble with that. So we're going to walk you through how to disable tracking on your Vizio TVs, your Samsung TVs, your LGs, your Amazon Fire TV, and even your Roku TV. So for all the step-by-steps, look no further than the official homepage of the Kim Komando Show, which is easy. It's komando.com, of course, komando.com. And once you're there, hit that button for that Show Picks button right on the homepage. Hey, thanks for watching. Now, a few things. Don't forget to click the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. And for more digital know-how, check out all these other great links.